لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
So this is the first point that we wanted to make tonight. That is that the meaning of the word abd, its plural being Ibad, that's mentioned in this ayat, Ibadur-Rahman. The meaning of abd, there are two possible meanings. Al-Mu'abbad, which includes everything in the creation that is subdued willingly or unwillingly. And the second meaning is Al-Abid, the one who willingly surrenders and submits, and occupies himself with the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is the meaning that we are thinking of in this topic. Okay, this is the first point, the two meanings of Al-Abd. Okay, the types of ubudiyyah what? The ubudiyyah in reference to Allah's rububiyyah, His lordship, the servitude that recognizes, acknowledges willingly or unwillingly that Allah is the Rabbul Alameen. The second type of ubudiyyah is the ubudiyyah of the person who recognizes that Allah is the only ilah, la ilaha illallah. He's the only ilah. He's the one that deserves worship. And that's why we say, the scholars of Sunnah say that the meaning of la ilaha illallah is la ma'bood bihaqqin illallah. The ilah is the ma'bood, the one that has the right to be worshipped. So this second type of ubudiyyah is the ubudiyyah that this ayat, the Shaykh says, hiya al-murad huna. That is what is intended in this ayat. Not the ubudiyyah of everything in the creation, that everything acknowledges willingly or unwillingly that Allah controls the universe. That's not the ubudiyyah that we're talking about in these ayat that we're going to be discussing for the next few weeks. Rather, the ubudiyyah that we're talking about is the ubudiyyah, the state, the condition of servitude to Allah that recognizes that He is the one who deserves to be worshipped. So really, we don't say that this is slavery. Rather, we say that this is a conscious condition or state of seeking to make your life totally be dedicated to the worship of Allah. Ubudiyyah, that is worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Shaykh says, وَلِهَذَا أَضَافَهَا إِلَى إِسْمِهِ Ar-Rahman. This is the reason why Allah has connected in this ayat Ibadur-Rahman, the worship is of Ar-Rahman. The reason why He's connected the word worship is to His name Ar-Rahman, إِشَارَةً إِلَى أَنَّهُمْ إِنَّمَا وَصَلُوا إِلَى هذه الحال بسبب رحمته. He has connected these people to His name Ar-Rahman as an indication that they have only reached this condition of consciously seeking to worship Allah due to His rahmah. It's due to the rahmah of Allah that we are worshipping Him. That's His mercy upon us. Because the people who are not worshipping Allah, they are in store for a terrible punishment. But by the mercy of Allah, we have accepted His right to be worshipped. That's Allah's rahmah upon us. So Allah has connected our condition of ubudiyyah to His name Ar-Rahman, because it's by His rahmah that we reach this condition.